What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are ending our day at our Dutchess yard, but I'm also starting my video here. If you saw yesterday's video, then you know what I'm doing. But all of this material here has to get loaded onto the ladder rack of my Colorado. These are all of the top plates for the walls on the new addition that we threw up earlier today. So I need to get them loaded on here and bring them down with me in the morning. I just dropped a trailer off here with some wire mesh that I grabbed earlier today. So instead of coming back in the morning and doing this, I'm going to do it now while I'm here to save some time. So let's get this loaded, and then I'm just going to take it to my house and then down to the job site tomorrow.
Let's go.
All right, we're all loaded up. Luckily, it was not that much material. I think, let's see, 16 boards, 3 2x4s, and 13 2x6s. So, right? 3, 6, 9, yep, 13 2x6s. Time to head to my house, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, we are down at this new addition here, and all of the walls are framed. The ceiling beams are starting to go in. We'll walk through it real quick and show you the layout. So this is the new front door here. Walk into like a living area, and then back here is going to be the kitchen, along with the stairwell down into the garage. That's part of the main house there. We have a little hallway here. This is the bedroom up in the front corner. Right here you have a closet. This is a laundry room. Also, the hot water heater is going to be in here. And then you have your bathroom down here at the end. We have the toilet here with the shower here, a tub there, and then the vanity recessed into the wall here. That's why you see the bump out there. So the guys got all these interior walls in, along with the walls over here after I left yesterday. And this morning we got the LVLs into the wall here, double LVL all the way across, and now they're starting to set all of the ceiling beams in here on this side. Alright guys, all of the ceiling beams are in. We just have a couple around the corner, shorter ones above the stairwell down into the main house. These guys over here are cutting all of the rafters, which are stacked in this pile. On that set of sawhorses there, we have the ridge. So everything is pretty much ready to go up after lunch. I am actually about to pull out of here. I have to run to a local metal place and pick up, I believe it's angle iron. My father made an order. I need to go grab it today, and then I have to run to our shop to take care of some stuff. So let me go grab the metal, and then I will see you guys at our shop. All right guys, I just got to our shop. I have all of the metal on my truck. This is definitely more than I should have on here. These are 20 feet long. I have 10 of them, and I think they're 4 by 6. So if you want to do the math, go ahead. But it weighs a lot. I also had these 2 pieces of tube and these small cut pieces as well. I don't really know what those are for. I know these have to get up to our Dutchess yard eventually. Probably not going to bring them up there on this truck. As you can see here, this bar in the middle is bowing quite a bit, and now I need to figure out a way to get these off of here. I could do it with like a sling underneath on each fork and lift it. If it'll lift straight, that'll probably be the easiest way. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to lift up the back end and put something under it that keeps it high enough so I can get the forks in above this part of the ladder rack. But let me try 2 slings, 1 on each fork, and hopefully it'll lift it. Then I can just back the truck up and drop them right here on the ground. Alright guys, I got all of the angle iron off of my truck. That was not an easy task. It was difficult to find the center where it would balance right. I slid it a little bit one way and then it was too much the other way. Ended up putting a strap from the back to the forklift just to hold the front up, and then I backed my truck out, and luckily we made it. So I'm leaving this here until it is time to go up to our Dutchess yard. I'm not gonna move this on my Colorado. I'll probably use a trailer or one of our dump trucks or something and get it up there that way. These are just way too heavy. Luckily, the place I picked them up from was only about a mile down the road, so I wasn't traveling very far with these on my truck, which is why I was okay with getting them here on it. But going over an hour upstate, yeah, that's not happening on the Colorado. So we'll have to get a truck here one day and move them whenever we need them up there. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.